This fat-burning method includes ginger wraps, and is extremely beneficial for speeding up the weight loss process, especially in the abdominal area, which is probably the most challenging. The truth is, belly fat takes a lot of time to disappear and requires a lot of exercise, a well-balanced diet, plenty of water, and last, but not least, enough sleep. But this ginger compress method is very simple, yet extremely effective. Read the instructions, and see how it works. What you need: 1. Freshly grated ginger or ginger powder. 4-5 body lotion. Some plastic wrap. A towel. An elastic band. What you do: put a towel in the warm water and soak it, then wrap the areas where you want to burn fat. That parts are usually your belly, arms or thighs. Let it act for 5 minutes. Add body lotion and ginger, and mix them well. Apply on the affected area, and then use plastic wrap in order to wrap around that parts. For great results, it's best to leave the compress on for at least 6 hours. Or, preferably overnight. Apply it before you go to bed, and remove it in the morning. It's important to know that you may experience a tingling sensation at first, but this is normal and it means that the treatment is working. This easy, yet highly efficient method will help you burn stubborn fat in no time.